Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to another video. Hopefully a surprise today. We got this thing in here.
This thing.
And yeah, this thing. It's been a pain on my... Anyway, yeah, but first, another video coming out soon. We're gonna do a test fit, so y'all get to see a preview of what it is. If it slides right in, all we gotta do is sand tomorrow, final bondo prep, and she tight. Yeah, there we go. Boom. And it's in there. All right. Broken glass in there. Where did a broken glass from?
Where did you get broken glass from?
I don't know. I'm on the windows broken. But yeah, I'm gonna DIY this tomorrow. Let it cure. I just barely like bondoed it. I don't know, 2 hours ago. I'm a DIY sand, fill, you know, the whole deal, bodywork type stuff. Get it complete, painted, and if it's done soon enough, it'll be same color as the car. So there you have it. All right, I'm gonna put this back inside. We're gonna get to jumping on that thing. That thing. If it runs, we're gonna button it up tonight. Drive it home. If it runs. Might be a long video, guys. All right.
Want me to put it there now?
Can't find the key? No power?
Las windows.
No power? Can I get a jump box?
Yeah, it's right there.
It's gonna say something just not sitting there looking.
Yeah, this one.
Alright, turn on the key. Hit it again, one. That's it?
You gotta still take a
Yeah. So we gotta take that whole shit off. Alright. Made progress.
Here.
Yep.
Black one is.
Alright guys, it's the next day. We had a hiccup yesterday. It's my fault. Put the new seals in the injectors. Put them in the fuel rail, and I put them in backwards. Realized that, turned them around, damaged the seals. Didn't think about it. Bolted it up. Fired the car up. It runs, but now we have fuel everywhere. Just damaged seals. So I gotta go back, get some more seals tomorrow. Napa's closed today, and we'll try again.
We still got like 2 seals left.
Yeah, but now all 4 are leaking.
Oh.
So go get some new seals tomorrow and have Josh storm in, and hopefully this hose that we have that somebody put on backwards. It should go the other way to come up to this coolant line. We get that hooked up. We gotta take the throttle body off, but it runs. So little hiccup, about $10. We get it done. $10, 2 hours. We should be dropping it home. So fingers crossed. All right. Hey, thank you guys. Views are low. I understand. I haven't been uploaded like I did last year, just throwing videos at you every other day, and you know, I'm trying. It's a busy life right now. Time valuable. I got other things to do. So thank you for watching, as always, and supporting the channel. And please share the videos if you can. Anybody's curious, it's a 2000 Toyota Celica. Has a 1ZZ motor in it.
2002?
It's a 02?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the other one was a 2000. So yeah, we it's been a long time coming. So finally at the end of the tunnel. But hey, thank you guys. What you gotta say?
Here pretty soon, after this video, hopefully, we will be doing a video going to Albuquerque.
Hold on. Hey, dismiss that. Dismiss that. Don't even worry about it. Hey, thank y'all as always, and we catch y'all